We all know video should perform best with meta ads, but many people run video ads that fail horrendously. And in this video, we'll explain exactly how you can make great meta advertising videos at scale without having to hire expensive video production agencies who will want to charge you tens of thousands of pounds per video, and it's just not necessary. Now, many businesses come to us complaining that their video ads have failed horribly. And when we review their videos, we can see instantly exactly why. So in this video, first, I'll explain the biggest mistakes people make when creating video for meta advertising, because even big video agencies make these mistakes as they don't understand the meta platform and how people will engage with it. Then I'll explain a simple formula for how you can produce fantastic meta advertising videos that don't cost a fortune, but look and importantly perform fantastically. Finally, I'll go over the simple equipment that you need and how to edit your videos to maximize their impact. Let's go. So first of all, the big mistakes that people and video agencies make. Now, this is a video one of my clients spent £15,000 producing, seriously. And they actually got 3 of these videos produced under that price. But the video agency, they hired a studio, actors, but they didn't consider the fact that on Meta, you have 3 seconds maximum to hook people and encourage them to continue watching. Now, I'm gonna play the first 3 seconds now. Tell me if it hooks you. I don't plan on showing you the rest of the video, as honestly, it's so boring that many of you would simply bounce off this video. Now, the video takes 15 seconds to make any sort of connection to what they're actually selling. Now, from an artistic perspective, it looks great. It's well shot, they've got great actors, but from a marketing and particularly a meta advertising video perspective, it's a big fail. And we constantly outperform that video with simple creatives that we made on Canva that took us about 20 minutes to produce. So they wasted £15,000, and if you watch this video until the end, you won't have to do that. Now, you need a strong hook within the first few seconds to get people's attention. A strong hook will give people a reason to hang around. Now, this is the most important part of meta ads video, because if you don't get this right, it doesn't matter how good the rest of the video is, no one's gonna watch it. Think of your hook like a newspaper headline. It doesn't matter how good the article is, if the headline doesn't encourage people to read it, nobody does, so it's irrelevant. With meta ads video, you don't need high production quality. Yes, it helps, but don't let any video agency tell you that it's necessary. We've seen plenty of videos that perform spectacularly that are filmed on a basic old mobile phone. Now, the next big fail is not getting your marketing messaging right. People just throw out garbage scripts without really considering what are the desires, the outcomes, and the features that people really want to hear about your products and services. They also don't consider, and this is an important point, the big blockages people have when doing business with you. If people are worried about product quality, use your video to reassure them about that. If they're worried about additional fees, use your video content to address that concern. So what's the basic video formula? So in the first 3 seconds, you have to have something that hooks them and encourages them to watch further. Now, here's an example of a video that we created for a client.
Quit your job and start your own sports coaching business today.
It gets straight to the point. It doesn't hang around. It goes in with quit your job and start your own sports coaching business today. So we quickly latch on to that pain point that many people don't like their jobs and would love to coach sports for a living. After the 3 seconds, we have grabbed their attention, and we can then go on to explain more about what we are offering. With a meta ads video, we want it to be no more than a minute long, ideally, but it could be as short as just 10 seconds. We do, however, see some videos which work well that are longer, sometimes up to 3 minutes, but generally speaking, as a general rule, under 1 minute will do best. So what do you do after that hook? What do you do after those first 3 seconds when you've captured people's attention? Now, this is the part where we explain what the offer is and what the advert is actually about. And we call this the body section of the video. Now, within this section, we need to really understand our target customer. This is where your traditional marketing really comes into play. What are the biggest pain points? What are their fears? Then we connect whatever you're selling to those fears by explaining how you resolve their pain points. Now with Sports Call, we know people would love to coach sports, but they're concerned that they won't make enough money through a franchise to support themselves. So we go in to explain the average revenue franchises generate in years 1 to 3 to reassure them. They worry they won't know how to run their own business. So we explain all the support and guidance they receive if they purchase a franchise with the franchise offering. Now next, consider any big blockers that customers may have before working with you. Now with most businesses, that's quality, reliability, and trust, whether that's a product or service. So work in some credibility information about your reviews, who you've worked with in the past, your case studies, anything you can to reassure them that you do what you say you do and that you do it well. You don't even need to do this within the script. You can just use visual clues, like showing your review profile, logos, the companies that you've worked with, or projects that you've been involved with. Now, one of our clients sells high-end garden furniture, and we realized that people are concerned about their products not lasting for years on end. Now, when you spend £4,000 on garden furniture, you want it to be high quality and you want it to last for years. So we insert into all their videos about their extended warranties to reassure the viewer that this is high quality stuff that will last. So after the hook, you get all this information into the body of your script and you storyboard it in a structured way that naturally flows. So finally, the last section is your call to action. Simply tell them what you want them to do. What's the next step? It could be click the link to learn more, or visit our website and browse our latest deals, or for example, download our brochure today. So what kit do you need? So you can film these videos on a mobile phone, but you need to be recording in 4K, so that when the footage blows up in size on a desktop, you don't lose any quality. It might look fine on a mobile phone, but on a bigger screen, it might lose quality unless it's 4K. If your camera is stationary, make sure you stabilize it with a tripod. If you're moving, use a gimbal device so the camera isn't jerking around. It just makes everything smoother and easier to watch, makes it more professional. Next, let's talk about sound. Because if you simply use the microphone on your phone or camera, it will be poor sound quality. It might sound a bit echoey. We use a simple lapel mic, like this one that I've got here. It connects to your phone or your camera via Bluetooth, and it will dramatically improve the quality of your sound and make you sound highly professional. Next is lighting. This isn't a full video production tutorial, and my main focus is on the fundamentals and structure behind meta video production. However, you do need to be well lit. My video wouldn't be very watchable if I was lit like this. But with a simple ring light, I can appear like this. So make sure that you get that bit right. Finally, editing. So editing, we find, is a unique skill and takes a lot of time and experience to do really well. So we suggest outsourcing your editing to great professionals who live in other English-speaking countries abroad. My guy editing this video is based in the Philippines, and you can find many great editors across the world on websites like Fiverr. So use your editing to emphasize the points that you are making. Make sure you have subtitles so people can watch with no sound, and your edit should really bring your video to life, making it more watchable and more engaging. So I do hope that helps. The main points is get that hook right. About 80% of your creative energy needs to go into that hook, and you need to get it right. If you're creating these videos low cost, at scale, you can test different hooks, different bodies, different calls to action to see what people really engage with the best. And that is where you're going to get the power from your meta advertising. You don't want to be spending £15,000 for 3 videos to find they all fail and then have to repeat the process. You can do this very effectively, low cost, and if you follow this advice, you will find success. So I hope that helps, and we'll see you next time.